The WAGO Eco 2 power supply units, more efficient. They have a higher efficiency compared to older models over the whole output power range, and therefore they have also a lower power loss, so less heating inside of the power supply unit and less heating in the cabinet. And so they are also more durable and reliable, because less heating means less thermal stress for the components, and so the whole power supply lasts longer. And they are economic and ecological, because economic, they save costs in purchasing and operation, and on the other hand they are ecological because they last longer and they have a lower carbon dioxide footprint.